Let me get your thoughts on the global economy, though, because I've been reading quite a lot over the last 24 hours about percentage chances of a global recession or even just a US recession. Where do you think either of those is heading? I got a chart here that shows the probability of a recession in the US economy, and people are asking, if this goes over 30% probability, does that mean that we then do see a recession taking place? What are your thoughts?
Well, we expect the U.S. economy to bottom out in Q1 2020, basically because of the contingency situation on the household, on the investment of companies, but also of the political tensions that we've seen.
So in 6 months, bottom out.
Yeah, so the idea is, before the summer, because of the manufacturing and trade recession, we expected actually a recession in the U.S. in the beginning of 2020. And then central bank saved the day. So because of the central bank action, especially the Fed, which is doing QE without saying it's QE, I think everybody is looking at the U.S. economy. We could have a whole show on that. Exactly. So we're talking now about flatlining. We're saying that the U.S. economy should actually be on an annualized growth rate around 0 in the beginning of 2020, which is something. This is exactly where we were in Q1 2016 during the election year, when Hillary and Trump were running together. So we are actually very close to this trough situation. So we avoid a recession, but what is very interesting is that it could actually go, this muddle through scenario where you are close to 0 could actually go down very quickly. You've seen the liquidity bottlenecks on the repo tantrum. You've seen also what could happen on the political risk. Trump is actually escalating the political tension and using proxy conflicts. So we're watching it carefully because it's a fine line between just flatlining and the sheer recession. And we know that in the US, panic can be anchored quite quickly compared to Europe, which is a bit more resilient when it comes to the wealth effect and whatever is happening between the financial markets and political risk.